Hey guys, it's Shark Puppet here today. Today we're gonna be playing Cheese Escape in Roblox. It's a brand new Roblox game where you try to eat some cheese while a giant rat chases you around. So yeah, let's eat some cheese. It'll take a couple of minutes. Okay, so it brings me to there. So yeah. Okay, we're in the game. So now let's go to Oh my god, there's a lot of people here. No, oh the rat. It's rat. Dude, the rat almost literally ate me alive. No! You are not eating me. Stop. Help me. I found a piece of cheese. Nice. Piece of cheese to me. What else? No, your first cheese. Alright, so. No, you are not getting my cheese. This is the only cheese I have. The rat literally almost switched to the safe zone. Alright. Yeah. So. Okay, pick up this cheese. What I not had. Here I You have to go all the way to here. Get that key, or I don't know. There's a silver key, so we're going. Yeah. Where are we walking? This 2, 4, 8, 6. What? 2, 4, 3, 8. 4, 3, 2, 8. 8, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4, 3, 8. What is it? Dude. I'm walking so slow. Look how much the speed I take. Good. Cheese. 5 out of 9. Well done. Okay, somehow we're going to try. Okay, and the rat is still over there. I'm sorry. That's what I exactly did. Did I just hear the rat? Oh no, I don't want to do parkour. You see, I'm already garbage. No. No. No, I'm dying. Keep me right back. Okay, I got back. Clearly, I'm done with this. How am I gonna get the food here? And the freaking rat is still asking me again. Whoa! The rat almost glitched to the wall. So the rat is good. The rat, you are not taking away my cheese. Okay. Bring this thing all the way up. I'm so bad at this art. Wait. Already got that. And the rat is still over there. Okay. Where is the rat? Sorry, my mom's. My mom's sick. The blue key. The rat is asking me again. This rat do not take my key and eat it. Bro, the rat almost got me. Okay. Wait, did I see the biggest door? Oh, I found the blue door. There's a key. I just heard something open. So, no, you are not taking away my key. Okay. Wait, that's that. That is awful. No. Oh my god, we have to wait. Alright. If it doesn't open, we're gonna be too late. Oh my god, we have to be extremely fast. You get it. The rat's on the phone. No, we gotta go up. Oh my god, guys. We have to look for the blue key. I'm sorry. Wait. I forgot about the green key. I'll be right back. Right, we'll be good. I got the green key. That leads to the green door. Not extremely far away. Nope, I don't want to lose my blue key again. Don't fall off. Oh, that was really close. Oh my. Dude. That is taking nothing to the wall and almost killed me. Here. Okay, here. Here we go. So the rat doesn't get us. So, yeah. Get the button. Press the button. Where's the button? I'm pretty sure the rat always gets me after the door opens. He always got me at the time. Okay. Great, the door is open. Be careful. Okay. Oh, the rat! The rat always chases me after. The rat always. I heard the rat. This is the end. Well, there's 3 chapters. You completed the game. Now you can escape. Smiley face. What am I doing here? Okay. The rat! Please don't kill me, rat. We beat the game! Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And it'll be my time to go ahead and